Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the issue with the Facebook login on the computer. I'm using Chrome on the Windows and trying to log in to the Facebook. So I show you the issue. I'm using my email and the password and then log in. And it's saying the email you enter is not connected to an account. Find the account and log in. And this is a new computer, so I just bought the computer and then setting up everything new, and I have this issue almost every time when I using Facebook on a new laptop. So this is maybe my second or third time having this issue already, and even Facebook told us the email is incorrect. This issue is not about the email, it's something else, because the email that I'm using here is 100% correct. And with the same email, same credential, I can log in successfully on the mobile device. So this is not issue with the email, even Facebook telling you that, but it's not issue with the email, it's issue with something else, and I'm gonna show you how to fix this. So the very first thing you're gonna do is select forgot password, and in the next step, you're gonna type in the email address again in this find the account box. So just put in here the email for the Facebook and then select search. And in the next step, it's showing no search results. So basically it's telling you that the email is incorrect or could not found. And then you're gonna go with the next step is a mobile number. So for my Facebook account, I have two credentials associated with it, email and mobile number. So I'm gonna enter the mobile number. So this is the mobile number that associates with my account, and then I select search, and then it can find the account that associates with this mobile number, and then it having an option button here for you to confirm this is my account. So what you're gonna do is click into that, and then it's gonna send a code to the email, and you're gonna copy that code here to do the two-step authentication. So this is the email that Facebook sent to me to the same email that is telling me that it's incorrect, but I still receive that code, and I'm gonna copy that code. Going back to the Facebook, I enter code here and then select continue. And now it's gonna tell you that you need to approve this request on the mobile device. So you already having the Facebook on the mobile device, and for the two-step authentication you need to approve it, so Facebook know exactly this is your account, and you just access it from a different platform, from computer instead of mobile device. Basically from a new computer, you need to do it every new computer. So I open up my Facebook app on the mobile device, and then the option for me to confirm if it is me or this is from someone else, I'm gonna select no, it's not me. In this case, it is me trying to access it from new computer, so I select yes, it's me and select allow. The next step is saying that I'm approve a login, and then now when I go back to the computer, I can select just this device, and I can access to Facebook on this new computer again. So that is all steps you need to fix the issue with the Facebook login. If you found it helpful, please help to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.